to a new day. Welcome to the vlog, y'all. Roberto's fixing my do-rag. Gotta keep the soup crust protected. Thank you. Okay, welcome back to another vlog. So, I shot the intro in Planet Fitness. Y'all, so let me tell y'all a quick story time. So we were in Planet Fitness and we were working out. But I guess Planet Fitness have a few housekeeping rules where basically like bodybuilders are not allowed. Like they cannot make noise, they cannot slam weights. And I felt like such a Karen. But Roberto was racking his rate. I guess he racked it a little too loud. And the, what is it, LUNK alarm? LUNK alarm? LUNK or LUNK alarm? LUNK alarm went off. It was the loudest noise ever. It was so loud. And I knew right then and there this was not the gym for us. Like, it's time for me to go back to to LA Fitness. So right after that, we just got our stuff, and I was like, hey, I promise y'all I'm gonna sound like a Karen, but I'm not upset. I just need to cancel my membership here. It's just not it for us. So anyways, we ended up back at LA Fitness. He's always been at LA Fitness. I just left and I went to Planet Fitness. Now I'm back at LA Fitness. And I felt like I'm back at home. So anyways, quick story time. We are leaving the gym. It's 11:42. We're about to grab me some Chipotle. And then we're gonna run to Kia and give me a new battery to my key because my key is dead. And then we are going to run to a store, hurry up, go home, take a shower, and then Roberto has to go to work. So I may or may not accompany him. It just depends on, yeah, his car is loud, so. So now me and Roberto are back home. We just took a quick shower. We're about to go to his shop. He got to cut a few heads. Actually, he's cutting 2 of my brother's hair and then somebody else. And then we're going to come home. I'm going to work on some work for my job at his job. And then we're going to come home. He's going to start working on a project. And then I'm going to start decluttering our closet. Because as you guys know, we move in less than a month. And then by the time I probably really get started on that, I'll probably work on Samia's closet first. And then I'm going to go pick Samia up from school. So hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. And yeah, I'll see you guys at Roberto's shop.
Just to be sure, he wants us to spray everything every time we walk in the door. So just to be sure. I don't see that happening. It's just to be sure.
It's so true. I still catch up to you. Even if I had to start over, I'd catch up to you. You crazy.
You're already talking about the general.
I had no fast. I had no fast.
Actually, a quality assurance company. That's what I've been telling you.
I got my baby from school. On my way home, it stated that I received a package. Is that the right number? Here we go. Let's retrieve the package. Is it good, Mommy?
All right, let's do this. Soon we get to party time, soon we can rescue everybody and make it home safely.
Wait.
After school, din. So now I just put Samia to sleep. Well, I put her in the bed. So now I am about to work on things for my business. So I never got to show you guys this, but I don't mind the dirty iPad cover. We got to get another one. But I ordered this Boss Babe notebook off of Amazon, and I really love it. It's just, this notebook is strictly for like Roberto and I's business that we're going to launch and how much money we're spending and investing in it. And we're just going to keep track of all of our expenses in here and all of our revenue that we're going to get back. So I really thought this was super cute. I needed something different because I have a notebook for work, but I needed something for my business. And then I'm going to look up different things on our iPad. So, yeah. Hey everyone, welcome back. So, I did not vlog the entire day. I didn't vlog because my mornings are pretty like chaotic during the week, like trying to get myself together and Tamia together and make breakfast and do her hair and get her ready for school and make sure she gets to school on time, make sure I get to work on time. So it's pretty chaotic. And then my days during the day, they're just too busy. I literally could not pick up the camera. Like I am actually really thinking of vlogging like a day in the life of what I do, but the only days I can see myself doing that is possibly like on the weekend, whenever I do work like every other weekend, and those are the only days I can kind of see myself doing that, because I'm busy, don't get me wrong, but I have some room to be able to vlog if needed. So wasn't able to vlog, but nonetheless I am now on my way home. It's 6:22. I usually get off at 6, but I had a late like customer, so I didn't get out of there until about 5 minutes ago. So I am on my way home. I need to hurry up and get home because Roberto has to be at work by 7. So, you know, he pick up the kid, I deal with the kid. So on my way home, I'm literally right up the street. I'm not far at all. So, yeah, I'm thinking about what I'm gonna eat for dinner. I am so disappointed in myself, y'all. Roberto brought me some lunch today, and he brought me fries, unconsciously thinking like, oh yeah, Bessie's not eating fried food, and my weak-minded self like couldn't resist the Chick-fil-A fries. I ate it, so I ate the fries. Okay, forgive me, but that is like my one and only and my last mistake. So I'm starting my fast all over. So yeah, that's what we're doing tonight. I am going to, after I get Samia fed, bathed, and in the bed, I am going to go ahead and start editing the vlog that I filmed earlier this week, and earlier this week. And I am going to post it, have it ready to be posted by tomorrow. So that's what's on the agenda tonight. I am tired, but I told myself that I am no longer going to clock into my, my 9-to-5 job and no longer, work on my business. So I'm going to spend 30 minutes to an hour every day after work. And I am going to, work on my business. So part of that is my vlog I need to edit. Kind of fun. So I'm going to do that, and hopefully by the time I'm done, Roberto will be getting home, and I can spend some time with him, and we can just go to bed together. So it is almost 8 o'clock. It's almost Tamia's bedtime. We both had our baths. I had a shower. I just gave her a bath. She is so tired, y'all. I'm just trying to wait her out until 8 o'clock because we have her on a strict schedule. So she's laying down in my bed watching TV. I'm about to put her in the bed. I'm about to eat me a quick little dinner. I made me some tacos, some healthy tacos, ground turkey with some shrimp. And then I'm going to edit a vlog to have it ready to be posted by tomorrow before I go to before I go to work. So, yeah, I'm either ending this vlog now, or I am, I'll just see you guys in the morning. Good morning, everyone. I am having a very, very, very irritated morning. It's Friday, and I'm trying to be positive, but I'm very irritated. Don't have any gas in my car. I gotta stop by the gas station. It was either stop by the gas station or it was either get some gas or eat. Who guess what I wanted to do? Eat. Hold on. Okay, so I had to run So I had to run in the gas pump because for whatever reason the gas pump wasn't accepting, like wasn't reading my card, which is good anyway. You really honestly shouldn't be using your card at the pump anyway, but I'm not thinking, of course. So I am a little irritated. I'm trying not to be irritated. I have been praying and asking God to give me peace, you know, and let my day go smoothly, and let this be a good Friday. When I get to work, I don't show my irritation, but I am really irritated, and I think partially about that is because I just really hate rushing, for one. Two, I'm hungry, and I'm not sure when I'm going to eat. That's the only thing, is my days are just so sporadic. Hold on. My days are just so sporadic, and look, it's already 8:50. I mean, I should be at work right now. I'm so irritated. I am so irritated, but you know, God is still good. He's still faithful. I still thank you for this day, Lord. It's gonna be a great day. I pray that you use me today, Jesus. However you see fit, Lord. However you see fit. So now it's time to get to work. But I have been, like, my gas light actually has been on for a couple days now, and I don't like pushing it like that. So I had to stop and get gas, like, because literally anything can happen, and I'm not about to be stuck on nobody's side of the road. So anyways, I'm so sorry that I'm starting this vlog, you know, not in the best positive mood, but I did upload a vlog today. So last night I did not go to bed until 11 o'clock. I edited the vlog and I posted it this morning, so I hope you guys go check it out, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So my thing is done, so I am about to just get to work, hurry up and get to work, and just pray, Lord, that today will be a great day and productive day for me. Y'all, even had to take my heels off. I said I'll put my heels on when I get to work, because I can't move as fast as I want to when I got my heels on. So yeah, talk to you guys later. Okay, so I never vlog at work, but I am just opening up everything, making sure everything looks okay, making sure our models look good, and everything looks beautiful. Yeah, so this is kind of what I do. One day I'll do like a day in the life of what I do, but until then I will try to sneak out little clips here and there. Okay, so I'm checking in. I am driving the buggy because I just did a tour that was a little bit far out, so yeah, walking just wasn't going to happen. I'm not sure if I'm taking a lunch break today. I just have so much to do, and I've been in such a long meeting all morning. So, yeah, hold on. I feel like I'm driving a school bus. I feel like I'm driving a school bus, y'all. I'm hollering. All right. Push this up. This is only my second time driving the buggy. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay, Buggy Chronicles. Is this about to be a thing? Okay, can't see me that good. I'm sorry. The cool thing is about where I work, right? We have retail in our community. Ooh. Okay, so I am back out on the field. I'm in the community. I am about to shoot a Reels video of one of our models for our social media. So this is something else that I do. And right here, so now I'm about to show one of our models. And yeah. Okay, so I just finished filming the video. I am about to go back to the office, and I'm about to go ahead and edit, edit the Reels video to post on our social media page. So yeah. Okay, so it's about 30 minutes left until I clock out, and I am just going to our models, and I am cutting off every light. Don't need our light bill too high. Our electricity bill too high. I'm missing some lights. This is what I do when I am about the last 30 minutes. We don't tour the last 30 minutes. So when it hits 5:30, I just go ahead and I shut everything down. So at 6, we can be out the door. But it's been a great day so far, y'all. It's been a great Friday. Remember this morning I was a little irritated, but this morning I was a little irritated. But the day has turned around. God definitely has turned my day around. I prayed and asked him again, you know, to put me in a better mood, and he did that, and today has been a great day. And I just can't wait to get home and relax, you know. So we're just going down the hallway. No. You need to pick up your chicken. You ready to take a bath? Ready to take a bath? Samia? Currently watching, oh my God, the best classic ever. Oh my goodness, such a classic. Working on my dreams, YouTube. Hello everyone. Today is Saturday, and I am here for a quick grocery haul. So as you guys know, I am eating healthy. I'm back meal prepping. Because I do have a fitness goal I am trying to attain in a certain amount of time. And a big part of that, a big part of your fitness journey is your nutrition. So I am here to show you guys quite a few things that I got. So everyone has a sweet tooth. Sorry, I'm not trying to talk too loud. Samia is napping. And she'll probably be waking up soon anyway, because she's about to be asleep for like almost 2 hours. So everybody has a sweet tooth, so I wanted to try the Simple Truth Pop Protein Crisp Barbecue Chips. I love salty and crunchy food, so I'd rather have something salty over something sweet. It has 100 calories, 4% fat. The sodium is a little high, 10%, but not too bad. Way better than, you know, just regular chips. And then I have some sugar-free, low-fat, sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. This is going to be for a meal that I will meal prep. I'm not sure which one I'm going to meal prep today, but whatever I do, you guys will see it. This has 10 calories, 0% fat, 9% sodium, 1% carbohydrates. I looked for a lot of different type of sauces that is on the healthier side for when I make my meal preps, and this was like on the top of the list. So got that. Of course, got my olive oil spray. We live by this. I got trash bags because, as you guys know, we're moving, and today I am officially going to start going through our clothes and getting rid of a lot of clothes. So I bought some black trash bags for that. Toothpaste because we're always running out. Always running low. I got some protein pancakes. The Kodiak cakes is power cakes. It has 190 calories, 3% fat, 14 grams of protein. Y'all, because I'm always trying to figure out what I'm gonna eat for breakfast. What I'm gonna eat for breakfast. So I had to do some research. I got some grapes. This is really for Samia. Samia loves fruit. I do too, but I really got these for her. I got Samia some juice because she's always running out of juice. I got some baby Bella mushrooms. This is a good substitute, especially hold on, my mom's calling. Hello.
What are you doing?
I'm loading these groceries. Okay, I'm back. Sorry. My mother called me. Alright, so where was I? So then I got these high fiber tortillas. These are like healthier tortilla wraps than like the regular ones. It has 50 calories in it, 5 grams of protein, 5% carbohydrates, and 2% fat. So I'll be doing some things with that. Then I also got me some organic mozzarella cheese. Then I got me some quinoa. I will be alternating between quinoa and jasmine rice. These are like a skinnier, healthier noodles. Yeah, 1% fat, 190 calories, 7 grams of protein. Hopefully these are good. If not, I'll make it good. Then I also got me, so when I make my taco salad, I got me some taco seasonings. This has 15 calories, 0% fat. It does have 0 grams of protein. It has a high sodium, but I want to use too much of the mix, just enough to give me that taco flavor. So that's that. And I got me some garlic salt, some red cayenne pepper. And I got me some turkey bacon. Me and Samia kills this. Like, we go through turkey bacon so fast in this house. Then I got me some chicken breast tenderloins. And then I got me some ground turkey, 93% lean. I got me some romaine lettuce. This is also for like my taco salad. I got me some baby spinach to add, and I can use spinach in just about anything. I got me some, okay, so I got me a stir fry. Y'all, don't judge me. Usually I do use fresh vegetables and cut it up on occasion, but some meals, if I'm trying to make it quick, just to get you a bag of stir fry. I got me this chocolate chip cookie dough Quest bar. It has 21 grams of protein in it. I'm gonna try it because I really love chocolate chip granola bars. So if this is really good, then I'll have a good alternate between the two. I got me 1 avocado. I love avocado. And they go bad because I don't eat it every single day. And by the time I do want to use it, they're already way too white. I got 2% reduced fat milk. This is when I make my homemade pasta sauce. And I won't be using too much of this. And I'm pretty sure that will be healthier than buying canned pasta sauce. I do not use canned pasta sauce. Some frozen sweet potatoes. I get so tired of trying to skin the sweet potatoes and do all that. So I just got this, throw it in the oven, season it, and be done with it. That's me and some apples. Alright, she got more apples. My baby loves fruit. She got more apples. I got some bananas because between Roberto and Samia, we can't keep bananas in this house. And then I got me some fresh parsley. And then I got me a garlic clove. So yes, y'all, this is all of the groceries that I got. I'm actually going to start meal prepping in a moment. I just don't know which meal I'm going to make first. So I want to check in real quick. I just tried one of these. It's a big no for me. A huge no. If you like coffee, you might enjoy that. I'm not a coffee drinker, but I'm about to go ahead and start meal prepping. And these going in the trash. Okay, so the first meal prep I'm making today, I'm only doing one meal prep a day, only because I like my food fresh. So this is kind of how I do it. So I got some stir fry, I got some tenderloins, some quinoa, and then these are my seasonings. And then we're just gonna add all of this together, and we're gonna have us like a little chicken rice bowl type ordeal. Anybody else toddler crazy and get into everything, or is it just mine? Samia literally, y'all, gets into everything. 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 Mamma Mia! Come here, Mama! Hi! 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 Hi, Mommy! Hi! Let's change your diaper. Hello, vlog. So right now I am just airdropping some videos that I recorded on my phone to the computer for this next vlog that is coming out. Is that for me, Mommy? So yeah, that is just what I'm working on right now. Airdropping. I don't know if it's focused. And yeah. Then I'm gonna tackle Samia's closet. because we have to start packing like yesterday. So okay, so I'm done airdropping all the videos, and I do have a couple of clips on this camera, and I was going to continue this vlog into tomorrow, but the vlog is already going to be a little bit long, so I'm going to go ahead and end it here, and I will vlog tomorrow, which is tomorrow Sunday, which is wonderful, and that will be a whole new vlog, and then we'll post that by the end of that week. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I hope you guys are enjoying the consistency from me. God bless you. I love you, and I hope you enjoy the remainder of your day. Bye.